this is progress check for January 23rd, 2014.
It's progress check 11. I am Jacob.
Tyler Kelly.
And Jack.
McDonald. One of the first things we're going to tell you in this progress check is...
Is that we've moved the motor, we've moved the brain. It's here now. It used to be like way here on the edge of the thing. So now we have room for some arms that are going to come up of each side,
As you can tell. Another thing that happened was that we also, if you can slightly tell, but due to the brightness and stuff, if you look just below and to the right and the left of the brain, you will see the two tanks. We now have a second tank.
Yep.
There's a problem though. We can't use it.
A couple of parts that we need to actually make it work are in back order. So we really can't get that.
So in other words, shipping problems.
Yes.
Another change that we have is actually quite massive, and it actually improved our game a lot. TK, please explain.
Put it up a little bit further. Okay. Right here, we
added 2 more motors right here.
2 high-speed ones, so that didn't work. And that makes it a lot faster. It was very slow before.
The speed that we probably took is about, and the speed that we have now is probably easily twice as fast at the minimum. What we plan on doing with these arms, Jackie, please grab the big ball and also zoom it out. Is that one? Yes, we have the big ball here, and we plan on attaching these rollers to little parts right here, and so there's going to be another roller that's going to be right about here. So that way, when it drives up to the ball, the tanks will rotate, and it'll intake it, and then we can just throw it right over the what would you call that? Like a trough,
Yeah.
that little bar.
You should also, what I just saw there, Jacob, was that it just the ball just hit the brain. We should make sure it doesn't happen again.
Yeah, we're gonna probably do that. I was actually planning on putting, since he actually pointed that out now, we might as well just put like little stoppers right here, like right along somewhere right here, so that way the ball stops and it can't hit the brain. I'm trying to think of any. Oh, we also made, before the claw, it was bigger. It was much bigger. It used to be actually twice as long. Actually, no, not twice as long. It used to be about maybe a quarter longer. So it probably had like a few more inches on it. But because of the 18 by 18 restrictions, we had to change it, so now it's shorter. But it still throws the bucket balls pretty well. Let's see here. Dang it. I'm thinking. There's one more. And that is... Oh, that's it. Yeah, it's another thing to our driving. Before, we would have a medium gear right here, like a medium high strength, but now we have a neutral drive due to the fact that we have the 4 high speed now.
Oh yeah, and since last time, we've been working on autonomous very hard. We've got multiple ones now. It works a lot better.
Sorry. We used to have the LCD screen right... Sorry, Jack, for being late. Like right here or on the other side. And the tanks would also be right next to the LCD screen.
It was probably right here on this side.
Yeah.
It was
And
different.
so basically we went from this being all over the place to having it be constrained in a small area.
Mm-hmm.
So now we have a great amount of space to work with, as you can tell, with these arms.
We still have to get the battery somewhere, actually.
Yeah.
I know how to think of it.
There's some problems with it though. As Jack pointed out, the ball.
Video. There. Okay. I guess that works.
Sorry.
Okay, now you're in the video again. We all want to see your face.
Oh, thank you. Anywho. so now we have more room to work with. As Jack pointed out, with this being able to bump into the brain, it will probably make it disconnect.
That's one problem we've been having a lot of competitions and disconnecting.
Yes,
Disconnect
but
a lot.
I found a new brain. I found a brain that nobody was using, and I tampered with the battery port, and I got it to work again.
So what we plan on adding is, of course, like the programming to these. With this, we could probably actually also add another autonomous, which would actually be really nice. Because then we could, instead of scoring like 7 or 8 points in the the hanging zone, it'll be able to score maybe, let's see. Instead of being able to score like just the buckyballs, it'll be able to score all the buckyballs in the hanging zone and the big buckyballs. So that would be really nice. So we'll be able to get a whole lot of points in the skill matches. What else? There's the high friction wheels, but that's a very minor one. And that's really it.
Didn't we change the gear ratio? I don't remember if that was.
Oh yeah, that's also, thank
I
you.
couldn't remember if we did it here, if we zoom this in.
Yeah, we just also
Yes, look.
changed the,
Hey, hi, Tyler.
Yeah.
we also just changed the gear ratio, so now it's neutral here, but because it's how this is set up, it's a 1,
You can't really see really well, but right over here, there's two
there's two
gears,
There's 2 medium high strength,
and then we have one
and then
here,
1 large strength, so that's
and then that's driving,
12, 30.
and that's driving that one right there.
Just give me a second, I'm doing some math here. So, yeah, this is, we doubled up 2 really big normal the biggest size of normal gears. And it really made it, so now it's easier, we found the perfect match for the little slinger thingy.
Is
The
that
catapult.
it? Is that it?
That will be all. 2 points, and bye.
Say bye, Tyler. Really? Okay. Bye-bye.